Yo, 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 it's your boy Dante Weaver back with another crypto video. I upgraded from the ruby red to the jade green card. So I'm gonna jump into the unboxing, then I'm gonna do a comparison of the perks.
They saying Dontee did it again.
It's the moment I've been waiting for a while. If this envelope don't look familiar, just like this one that came with the ruby red MCO card. So once I got this one in the mail, I held it for like a year. You can go watch the video. I'm gonna link it. When I waited a year to open it just because I wanted to do an unboxing and I didn't, so I never opened the card and missed out on a lot of perks for a year. And I could have already ROI'd on my staking, so I'm not gonna waste time now. Graded within like a day or two after activating this one. And I was staking. At the time it was MCO'd, everything moved over to CRO. So I started staking, and then a swap happened or whatever, but I still got to take advantage of the upgrade. I was only staking for about 22 days. So it took the card from the beginning to delivery, 3 weeks. An envelope. This is now 10,000 CRO to stake this card, since here's the box, still sealed. You can read this if you haven't read it before. You can pause it. Say thank you from the CEO of Crypto.com. And here is there you have it. The Jade green card. So this is why I upgraded from here to here. I just took the upgrade and I plan on doing another upgrade. We'll see how fast I get to the black or obsidian card. Next tier is the icy white and the rose gold. So yeah, both metal. So if you got this far, I appreciate you watching. You know, you wouldn't be hearing this if you didn't get this far, but appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. And if you want one of these cards, use the link in the description and use my referral code. We both get 50 bucks. So you see, it's one of these. The difference is you get 2% cash back on all spending, and you get reimbursed if you pay your Spotify with this card. This one, you get 3% cash back on all purchases, reimbursed for your Spotify and your Netflix. And it's different staking. So you get, I'm trying to go off memory. Right now, to get this, you got to stake 1,000 CRO. That'll cost like 160 bucks right now. Plus you get the $50 back, so like 110 you ROI within the first year. This one is 10 times more expensive, so 1,600 currently for this. But you get more perks. You actually got to stake 10,000 CRO, but you get I think it's 16% interest on while it's staking. With this one, you don't earn while it's staked, but you earn with this one. And you get lounge key. So whenever the airports open back up, you get access to the different lounges. They both dope cards. I just upgraded because I do use Netflix, so why not? I'm gonna upgrade again to the next one. But that's 100,000 CRO, and that's the icy white and the rose gold. And I'll be able to get reimbursed for Amazon Prime. And after that, it's Obsidian Black, so that's $1 million. So we'll talk about those. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. I might do a giveaway, but at the end of the day, they are good cards. Even if you're new to crypto or if you're not even into crypto. So I'll do another video about that one. You could check it out. Just look for why you should get an MCO card. And then until the next time, y'all be safe. Holla at your boy.
They saying Dontee did it again.